Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen issue in Candy Crush Saga application using your smartphone. If you're experiencing black screen while playing Candy Crush Saga, then here are some solutions to fix it. The first method is to restart the game. Swipe the app away or force close it from your device's app manager. Swipe all the way upwards from the bottom of the screen and this will bring the app switcher on the screen. Now, tap on the close all button or simply swipe up the app card upwards and then release. Right after you do that, you will be able to force close the application. Now reopen the app again by tapping on it from your app drawer and then check if the issue is resolved. If the issue still continues to go on, the next thing you would want to do is to check for available updates for Candy Crush Saga from your App Store or your Play Store. Launch open your App Store or Play Store according to the smartphone type you have, and then in the search box at the top type in Candy Crush Saga. In the search result, you will be able to see the application displayed on the screen. Simply tap on it to open up this info page. Now check if there is an update button available instead of open. If there is one, tap on the update button to download the latest version of Candy Crush Saga on your device. Once you have downloaded the app, tap on open and this time you might be able to fix the black screen issue since you have the latest version of Candy Crush Saga on your device. If the issue still continues, then you can also try deleting your Candy Crush Saga application from your smartphone. Go through your app drawer and press and hold the Candy Crush Saga app either on your Android or your iOS device and tap on the delete or the remove app button. Or you can also look for the uninstall button and tap on it. After tapping on the button, you will then be able to delete the Candy Crush Saga app from your device. Once the app is deleted, re-download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store, and after making sure these steps are followed, you might be able to fix your black screen issue in Candy Crush Saga mobile app. So that's how you will be able to fix the black screen issue on Candy Crush Saga. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.